All right, if you've got squeaky doors, take a listen. Are you interested in getting rid of this? Like if you're opening the kids or closing the kids' door in the morning if they're still sleeping and you don't want to wake them up. Or maybe their doors are waking you up when they open them if you're still sleeping, right? So we've got hinges here that need to be lubricated. This door and the door we'll be working on 3 different hinges, and we're going to get a bottle of lubricant, WD-40 or whatever. I'll put a link down in the description below, as I always do if you want to check that out. But we're going to use the little nozzle here, and we're going to get the little nozzle and put on there. You can do it without the nozzle, but it's going to be kind of a hot mess. The nozzle ensures a direct spray, right? And you could come at it from either angle, but I prefer this angle, to be honest. More of a direct shot, and have a paper towel in your left hand as you do this, because it will drip. It sprays in a very concentrated direction, which is why we have the nozzle, but it doesn't prevent it from dripping, right? But it will penetrate into the hinge unit and get behind into the bar and drop down, and you'll see it if you do that with all 3 or all 2. If maybe your door only has 2 hinges, that will solve the problem. So hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.